Doon sa ceremonial toss Talagang tinapik lakas ng bola papunta doon sa kabilang court.
Oo nga, well, Marlo Aquino, ano naman natin, very good-natured fellow at tuloy pa rin yan dito sa pag-umpisa ng ating laro. But alam natin mamaya, getting down to business na yan sapagkat 4 shot blocks ang kailangan niya para umabot ng 900 career shot blocks.
Well, it's not really a milestone of sorts. Kasi yung milestone, mga 1,000 shot blocks yun It's been one step towards that.
Oo, yun na nga. Ito para makasama niya rin yung 5 membro ng 25 greatest players who are in the 900 and above shot blocks for their career. Diba? Sila Fernandez, Cesar, Codillera para sa unang tukol pa nga. Ren Ritualo hitting a long tom from outside to break to the ice dito. 2-0 ang ating talaan lamang ng Air 21 Express.
Alam mo, si Ren Ritualo nung pumasok dito sa doon matingit sa gym. Itong malakas na palakpak Ito si Ren Ritualo.
Oo nga, nakita natin kanina. So he's got a lot of fans all the way here dito sa Kabagan Isabela. Ren Ritualo does. Pero si Marlo Aquino naman naka-under goal stab para naman sa Santa Lucia dito. Tabla ng ating score at 2-all. And here the two big men going at it underneath. The spin by Yancy De Ocampo. Alahoy ang kanyang tira. Doesn't make it.
Takot ako
Oo nga Kaya laking mama rin lumaban sa kanya. Rebound ni Dennis Espino. And then now the Realtors are back the other way. Attempt ni Dennis Espino running the other way. Alam mo, Air 21, nasabi natin kanina, they want to run and gun and rain from outside. Pero wala yung tira na yan ni Ren. Pero Yancy makes sure of it this time. Kanina kasi may resistance mula sa front line ng Santa Lucia. Ngayon wala
Well, si Chesa Dolomia na yung katabi niya Nawala pa sa pwesto. So Yancy De Ocampo asserting his height and might.
Espino in the paint. Turns and makes it. So 1 out of 2 from the field. Dennis Espino, that's already his total in his last ball game against San Miguel. Diba 2 points na siya doon. Ngayon, naka-2 na siya agad-agad. So let's see. Kailangan nilang scoring itong si Dennis Espino underneath.
Yan na nga Gusto bumawi ng mama Dennis Espino, nagkantumpasa naman. Pero mas magandang butata.
Oo, ang ganda ng depensa ni Nelbert Bitoy Omolon underneath. Catching Ren Ritualo. Kala niya easy reverse na yun, ano?
Sabi ko maganda yung pasa dahil libre.
Oo, yun pala. Maganda depensa. Mas maganda yung depensa.
Nakapagbigay ng excitement din sa mga nanonood sa Kabagan. At ito, nawala pa bola at panig ng A21.
Oh, miscue on the inbound. Mark Clemens Telan throwing it over the head of Winnie Arboleda. Hindi na control ni Winnie yan. At ito, Santa Lucia with a chance to take the lead. Cross-court stop to Chester Colombia. Long shot. Wala yan. Arboleda finds the cutting. Mark Clemens Telan. And it's turned around. It's good from about 17 feet, Barry.
Hindi pa ginamit yung banda.
Oo.
Alam mo kasi yung roots ni ito si Mark Telan nag-trace his roots dito sa Isabela Dito yung mga tatay niya Although siya, sa Manila ka naman sa Tipol sa nakatira.
2 for 2 na si Dennis Espino. Well, you were talking about itong si Mark Clemens Telan na yung pamilya na taga rito yung daddy niya at kaya nga siya yung isa sa mga nagsalita kanina before this ball game. As you see, Ranidel De Ocampo. So the De Ocampo brothers are on the board for the Air 21 Express. 8-6 ang ating score. At aside from itong si Telan, si Vicky Kalimag talagang taga rito sa Isabela.
Tika Etchage. Tsaka yung ating nalaman kay Kalimag.
Oo nga. Yung
pronunciation
ng kanyang pangalan.
Kalimag. Yan ang pronunciation niya. Kalimag. Parang Romel Adukul. Adukul.
Oo, may ganun pa Adukul. Pero ito si Mark Clemens Telan running. Itong big man talaga ng Air 21. Tumatakbo. 4-point lead na sila on that undergoal stab by Mark Clemens Telan. As you see, Paolo Mendoza wants to bring it closer. He hits a long three. That's a 3M3 by Paolo Mendoza. The first of the ball game.
Ano mga ka-feel yung pagdating ni Jimel Torion dito sa panig ng Santa Lucia Realty? Will keep guys like Paolo Mendoza at itong si Alex Cabinot on their toes.
Ayun, tama yun. Dahil baka mawalan sila ng pwesto pag if they start faltering at Jimwell, baka makapasok maganda ipakita. Diba?
So, win-win situation yan for Santa Lucia Realty.
Well, speaking of win-win, ito si Winnie Arboleda naman, Drumive. Great cut. He makes the layup. Gets the foul to boot. So may chance for a 3-point play itong si Winnie. Paring Winnie Arboleda.
Yeah. Galing na segue mo. From win to Winnie.
Okay. Tutunan ko lang naman sa'yo yun.
Pumasok! Bonus free throw. 3 points in the ball game for Winnie Arboleda. Pride of Baklan naman ito.
Yun na nga. At the 4-point lead ng Air 21, 13-9. The jumper by Dennis is alright. Ito na si Ritualo. Gusto talaga ng mga tumakbo na itong Air 21. Pero yun, topic ni Mendoza palabas. But Air 21 keeps it.
New look no? Ito si Mendoza talaga nagpapahaba ng balbas.
Sabi nila baby face siya Kaya kailangan tumanda na ng konti yung itsura, di ba? And Ranidel, the big man who can shoot from outside, wala ang kanyang 3-point attempt. Ball goes back the other way. Trailing by 4 itong Santa Lucia Realtors. Andito po kami sa Kabagan Isabela. Baka hindi familiar sa inyo yung itong arena kung nasaan nilalaro itong game na to. This is the PBA on Tour 2006 Philippine Cup.
Dalawa!
Oo, dalawa na magkasaluhan. Sabi mo, to keep him on his toes, di ba? Si Jimon Torion, pinika pa yun. On his toes talaga. At TM3 yung pinasok niya ni Paulo Mendoza. Hatid sa inyo ng bagong TM. Power to the people. Pero grabe to, back and forth talaga. Mark Clemens na lang, outside shot using the glass. Sabi mo nga, yung bandang tira niya na talagang na-perfect na niya.
Ito naman, Dennis Espino.
6 points na.
After missing his first shot, pumasok na po sunod-sunod.
Oo. At going the other way. Naku, ang lalim niyan. Brother, to kuya. Pasok yan, plus a foul and a chance for a 3-point play. Alam mo itong dalawang Deo Campo na to, parang they're so happy to be playing together again dito sa Air 21. Ang ganda ng kanilang chemistry.
Siyempre, alam mo mula high school hanggang college, kasama sila naglaro sa St. Francis of Assisi. Diba? Doon lang sila sa PBL medyo nagkahiwalay. Tapos sa umpisa ng karir nito si Yancy dito sa PBA. Started out with Air 21, dating FedEx, napunta sa Token Tex. Tapos ngayon nga magkasama sila ito si Ranidel. So para bang Deo Campo Brothers have declared war against the Realtors.
Oo. At going the other way, ito sa Tolosia, Tolomia, di ba nakapasok ng long top din? Wala yan. Rebound ni Yancy. Alam mo, Yancy parang mas agresibo. Di mo, nagdadala pa ng bola ngayon to si Yancy. Hindi na nga lang.
Kasi ikaw, pinunan mo hindi naman sa dapat magdala ng bola talaga
Tama yun. Kino-compliment ko pa naman. But Yancy, the passer, Sutelan was too strong and the ball goes back to Santa Lucia Realtors. Still trailing in this ball game. Entry pass in the sky for the layup for Pinoy Omolon. And Dennis Espino, pinakikita niya na hindi lang sa pang-scoring, rebounding, pati pasa. Meron siya nun.
Well, real team man. Ito si Dennis Espino Siya nga kapitan pala. Kapitan ng Santa Lucia Realty.
So si Yancy turnaround jumper, strong. Rebound taken by Chester Tolomia. Nahanap niya kanyang point guard si Paulo Mendoza. Marlo gets it underneath. So the cutting Tolomia, natabik ni Yancy. Quick hands by the big man. And sa turnover again in favor of the Air 21 Express. Ito na naman sila. Ito ang hilig din ng mga big men nagdadala ng bola. Sila naman ang nagtawid ngayon ng half-court line.
Siguro yun ang ine-ensayo ni Coach Bo Perasol. Yung malalaking mama to develop quickness, to develop yung dribbling skills. Parang gano'n. Ayan na. Coach Bo Perasol.
Oh, si Coach Bo. And there's a timeout on the floor. Santa Lucia Realtors tumawag ng timeout.
Well, I think Yancy will have to match up well with Marlo. I think that he can do it, but I think that Yancy has a soft touch. I think that Yancy has more mobility. Pwede siyang maka-shoot outside. I think that they can match up well with each other.
At kita na nga natin si Coach Bo Perasol, match-up daw ni Marlo at ni Yancy. Yun ang nga nangyayari mula sa opening tip. Tapos nakatira ko si Marlo underneath. Si Yancy nakatira naman ng ilan. So that match-up, the 6'9 players, panunoodin natin yan throughout this match.
Well, ito si Yancy Deo Campo has already scored 5 points in the ball game. Marlo Aquino, only 2 points so far.
Oh, yung reverse niya kanina.
Pero makita mo ito si Yancy, meron pa 5 rebounds
Oh, di ba?
5 points, 5 rebounds. Ito si Marlo, 2 puntos at 1 rebound. Pero meron ng isang si Balbal.
Marlo.
So, countdown, 3 na lang.
3 na lang para umabot ng 900. Di ba? Ito si Yancy. Ren decides not to take it. Ang ganda naman ng decision niya doon. Labas dito kay Winnie Arbolero. Tapos the 3 is good. At TM3 sa atin ng TM. Power to the people. At ang ganda ng tira na yun ni Winnie Arbolero. Top of the key straight and through. And the lead is on now 5, 21-16.
Well, eto si Alex Cabagnot. Pumasok, pinalitan si Paulo Mendoza. Who converted 2 3 points,
Oo.
Back to back.
Omolon, hindi pumasok kanyang tira. And here the Air 21 Express once again. Alam mo, kada rebound nila, takbo sila agad. Renren wants a 3, goes closer. Doesn't get it, one more try. Alam mo,
Kasi itong Air 21, they believe they've got a quicker team, quicker lineup than itong Santa Lucia Real Estate. So doon na dinadala itong laro. They want to dictate the tempo of the ball game.
at bukod pa kay Cabagnot, pumasok na rin sa laro si Cesar Catley. Pero si Ricky Kalimag misses the shot. Underneath, nagbabakbakan sila lahat. Omolon has it, he's trapped. And it's stolen away by the Air 21 Express. Up ahead to Arboleda. To the cutting, Yancy all alone underneath. Ang ganda naman ng running ng mga big men dito kay Air 21 Express, which results now in a 9-point lead, 25-16. 30-second timeout taken by Santa Lucia Realtors.
Siguro, sasabihin ni Coach Al Francisco, match-up nga natin Marlo versus Yancy. Paano naman nakalibre si Yancy Ocampo doon? Ibig sabihin sa takbuhan, ay iwan ni Yancy, ito si Marlo Aquino. Ganun yung nangyari doon.
I'm sure si Yancy realizes, sabi nga ni Coach Bo Perasol a while ago, he's quicker, he's more mobile. So right away, pag takbuhan, release siya agad, iniiwanan niya yung kanyang bantay. Para sa Santa Lucia, trailing by 9. Ito na, yung matchup ng Yancy at Marlo. Marlo goes up, drops it off to Bitoy Umolon. He steps on the end line, pagbuelo niya bago umangat. So turnover na naman ang Santa Lucia Realtors. At may chance ang lumayo pa to break into double figure lead itong Air 21 Express pag sila'y makapasok. Dito naman yung field goals natin.
Well, tama nga, Air 21, 11 out of 18, samantalang ang Santa Lucia 7 of 15, so less than 50% itong Santa Lucia, samantalang halos mga 60% para sa panig ng Air 21 Express.
Pero hindi naman sama actually yung 7 of 15 ng Santa Lucia.
Maganda lang masyado.
Yung Air 21, dahil may mga foul counted pa, nakailan na, naka 3-point pa si Winnie Arboleda earlier. Is yan si Ocampo again underneath, traveling dahil
sabi ni Marlo Aquino, gagamitan mo na naman ang bilis, inatrasan.
Ayun na nga.
Walang natukuran.
Walang nasandalan,
Yun, traveling, ang resulta nan.
Cabagnot calls play number 2 for the Santa Lucia Realtors. Drives in closer, Marlo Aquino goes up for the lane, nakakuha pa ng foul. Buhay na buhay si Marlo rito sa ball game na to, and he has a chance to go to the line to try to complete a 3-point play. Tignan natin kung mapapasok niya yung free throw na last game nila against San Miguel. Yung 2 points ni Marlo, 2 free throws yun.
Yan.
Pero 2 out of 4 lang sa doon from the line overall.
Ganun Kasi natin, alam mo, ito si Marlo Aquino, lagi sinasabi, masamang free throw shooting nito, pero ina-ensayo naman niya to Ayun, kita mo, pumasok. So Marlo Aquino with 5 points in the ball game after making that free throw. At 25-19, anim pa rin ang hinahabol ng Santa Lucia Realty.
Here's Cabagnot against Arboleda. The pass down to Renren. They want to go to Ranidel. Nice fake. And he gets the basket. Ito si Ranidel talaga. Inside-outside threat.
Pinagtutulungan ng magkapatid si Marlo Aquino
Oo nga. Kaya sabi ni Coach Al Francis, we need to give Marlo some help. So Espino gets off the bench. As we see, Cabagnot take a 3.
May offensive foul dito
Bago man lang attempt ni Cabagnot
Si Ricky Kalimag ang
Kalimag.
matatawagan ng offensive foul dito. Si Marlo yata ang
Kasi Marlo ilalabas.
si Kalimag.
Kalimag.
Kalimag ang lalabas. Pangalawang foul na niya yun
Ito na naman big man, Randy Del Campo crossing the timeline from the Air 21 Express. Wala ang kanyang tira, goes out of the end line. The referee says, tumama sa taga-Air 21. So balik ang bola sa panig ng Santa Lucia Realtors who are trailing 8 points in the first quarter. Maaga pa naman, but you don't want Air 21 to run all over you first quarter pa lang.
Yan na nga. At usually, makikita natin turnover sa Air 21 with 6, Santa Lucia, Air 21 with 3, ang Santa Lucia with 6. So, kailangan mas protektahan ng Santa Lucia yung bola.
At kailangan nila ma-shoot rin yan. And the shot doesn't go in. Ito na naman ng Air 21. Good defense by Cesar Cati, pero nakuha uli ni Renren Ritualo. Goes around the pick, takes a 3. That's wide left and out of bounds.
At sabi niya, may foul daw no? Medyo masyado malayo
Oo nga. At
Malayo
parang-
masyado yung tira ni Renren.
Tsaka masikip.
Masikip.
Oo.
Itong Santa Lucia, usually sa first half lumalamang
Tapos sa endgame nawawala.
Pumupugak. medyo reversal approach ito eh. Lamang itong Air 21 ng 8 puntos.
Marlo Aquino. 2 minutes and 44 seconds remaining in the first quarter of this ball game. Between Air 21 and Santa Lucia mula sa Cambagan, Isabela, PBA on tour. Renner drives the lane. Naku! Challenging Marlo Aquino right in Marlo Aquino's face.
Si Marlo Aquino, sana dalawa na, di ba? Pero alam ka rin yun eh. Sabi niya, paloob mo itong layup na to.
Si Dennis Espino posting up, kicks it out to Catley. Good 3-point shooter, pero wala yan. And Bitoyo Malone hustles to get it back for his team.
Which makes us wonder, ano? Bakit mo yun si Paolo Mendoza? Dalawang 3-point shots yun eh.
Oo nga. At si Bitoy doesn't make a 3-point shot. Ito naman ang Air 21. Ang bilis bumaba ng bola. Canaleta has it. Against 3 white shirts. 4. Jumper niya. In and out. Labanan sa rebound. The ball goes back to Santa Lucia. We have a timeout on the floor called by the Air 21 Express. It's 29-19. 10-point lead for the Express. But, well, the action so far, mainit dito ang Air 21 Express because they're running a rough shot over the Santa Lucia dito sa ating first quarter. Under 2 minutes remaining. Alex Cabagnot against Patrick Fran now in the ball game. Cabagnot goes up and gets the basket. Alam mo, si Cabagnot, he's making a habit of doing that penetration.
Yung binibigla,
short jumper. Oh.
Di ba? Di-dribble, papasok, pagtitigil, titira. Ito, fast break points yun yung sabi natin. Air 21 loves to run. May bata itong malalaro ng Air 21. So, understandable na sila mamamaya pag kung takbuhan din lang ang usapan. 9 fast break points, wala. Parang kay Santa Lucia Beauty.
Tama yung sinabi natin, running rough shot. Literally running fast break. Di ba? 9 points. You see Nino Canaleta being fouled and now he has a chance to get 2 from the line. On that left baseline turnaround jumper earlier. Hindi pumasok pero 2 shots.
Dito ay pumasok. Ito meron papasok. Mark Delan. Tubid.
Walang tubig nag-ahit ano? Clean cut.
Hindi pa pala makakapasok si Mark Delan kasi late. Tardy. Diba? Parang ngayon, sa tardy ngayon eh.
Nino Canaleta, second shot is in. 2 gets 2 more points. A minute and 33 remaining in the first quarter. And it's a 10-point lead, 31-21. Itong Air 21 ang lamang. Cabagnot calling play number 1. He wants some motion. Hindi nga gumagalaw itong mga to. And finally, Dennis Espino pops out. Espino, sizing up. Ranel Del Campo takes a shot. Wala yan. Bakbakan sa rebound. Agapito and Fran. Ball around ng Air 21, sabi ng referee.
Alam mo, nandamig din si Dennis Espino. No? Yun nga, Dennis Espino was starting to wax hot. Tatlong sunod-sunod na baskets. And then, inupo. Paolo Mendoza, back-to-back 3-point shots. Inupo. So, namaga. Ito ang kalamangan ng Air 21.
So si Ronald Tubid just connected to the ball game. Pasa niya inside. Mark Lemons na have to do something with it. Ito si Tubid. Great defense by Catley, but he drives all the way in. Nawala ng depensa. Ito si Catley, no? On the spin move.
Tinihiro ng tubig. Matagal ko na ginagawa ko sa'yo nung nasa FU at nasa UU ko.
Ito si Catley gusto bumawi. And he gets it.
Sabi ni Catley, ako rin. Ito, ginagawa ko naman sa'yo.
Tama naman yun. Ikaw pantayin yung dalawang yan dati.
Ito naman ginagawa ko sa'yo doon.
Diba? So Catley gets that jumper. Si Catley known for his outside shooting naman talaga. Ito si Stefan Catley, the rookie from FU. Canaleta from UE naman. Driving the baseline. At nakabangga raw siya. Itong si Chester Tolomia na ayaw maniwala. At pati na rin to si Coach Altua as you see him. Grimacing, parang sakit para sa kanya na natawagan ng foul si Chester Tolomia on that baseline drive.
Ano mas griming? Maganda yung depensa ni Chester Tolomia. Naka-spread eagle lang naman. Yung bagong manlalaro ng Santa Lucia Realty ay ipapasok ni Coach Al Francis Chua.
Dito after the first free throw. Ito si Canaleta on the line for the 3rd straight time. He just made 2 a while ago.
Sabay pala ni Homers eh. Umabot ba? Umabot ba si Jimben?
Baka hindi eh. Tignan natin ha. And si Canaleta taking the shot and making it. That's 3 straight free throws for Nino Canaleta.
Umabot. Simple to yun para dito kay Chester. Ito yung sinasabi natin. Ano? Pwedeng si Jimben ngayon ang point guard dito. Off-guard. Slides off-guard itong si Alex Cabagnot. Diba? Pero ang tingin ko kasi mas bagay kung Torion and Mendoza sabay dahil si Cabagnot is a natural point guard.
Oo, oo.
So, dalawang point guard sila dito ngayon. Pero kung Torion and Mendoza is a natural off guard.
Gunner yun. As we see, Aga.
Si Aga ay nakashoot dito.
At bumaba yung kalamangan to single digits again. Only 17 seconds remaining in the quarter. Mark Telan crossing the timeline. Hinihingi ni Patrick Franz. Sabi ni Telan, sandali, the-drive ko na. Gives it to Canaleta. Turns around. And Torion right away gets a steal. 8 seconds remaining. There's a foul. At si Torion, sabi nga natin, what can he contribute? Sabi niya kanina in his own words, hustle. Yun, nakuha niya yung steal.
Kaya nga.
Well, let's see what Lucia can come up with in the last 8.4 seconds of this first quarter. Trailing by 9. Gusto lang ilapit ito bago matapos ang first quarter. Cabagnot marging into Tubid. No call. Cabagnot kicks it out. Catley! Gets the three at the buzzer! A TM3. Atid sa inyo ng bagong TM. Power to the people. And what a way to end the quarter para rito sa Santa Lucia Realtors. Nakalapit sila ng konti rito after being down by 9. As we see the great pass by Cabagnot. And Catley cuts the lead down to just 6 points. Charlie Cuna and Barry Pasco bring you the action all the way from Calbagan, Isabela. Ito si Canaleta. Passes to Tubid. Tubid fakes and takes it. Wala yan at Catley controls. Torion gives it to Espino on the run. Buta naman ang control ni Denison. It's out to Catley for 3. Can't make it back to back. At si Telan, power rebound.
At extending his leg. Dahil inuukulit siya ni Jimel Torion eh.
They swing it around. Tubig wants to challenge the shorter Cabagnot. And that was a good decision. Smart making the baseline jumper. Turn around.
4 points in the ball game para dito kay Ronald Tubid. Hindi pa natin sinasabi, produkto ng University of the East. Ito, 56% para sa 8-21 sa first quarter. Kanilang field goal, that's 14 out of 25. Ito naman Santa Lucia Realty, 48%, that's 12 out of 25. So, both teams took 25 shots.
Oh.
And itong 8-21, mas maraming naipasok.
Both teams shooting well.
Yeah, okay na rin yun.
48%,
48%, hindi naman masama yun. Halos 1 out of 2 pa rin yun. Halos 1 out of 2 pa rin, di ba?
Saka tatlong 3-pointers ang Santa Lucia sa first quarter, Barry. As we see Mark Telan taking a 3-pointer of his own. Wala yan, short. And Jimbo Torion gets another rebound. Passes it to Agapito. And there's a holding foul.
Si Oli.
Side court inbound para sa Santa Lucia Realtors. And we saw Coach Al Francis Chua calling Jimbo Torion over to give him instructions. Sabi nga ni Coach Al kanina sa interview natin before the game, these guys only practice with them twice. Diba?
Isang beses nga lang, halos yun eh. Shoot around yung isa eh.
Oo nga, tama. So ito si Dennis Espino taking the jumper off the glass. Wala yan.
Pero being a veteran, hindi naman baguhan din sa PBA ito si Jimmy Torello. Napapanood na naman niya ito sa Santa Lucia. Alam naman niya ginagawa lang ngayon. Hindi pa nakagachas yan.
3-point attempt by Patrick Franz doesn't go. And Jimmy Torion once again getting the ball and we see Catley. Espino far from his comfort zone. Yung matanggap niya Espino malayo sa basket.
Kaya nga eh.
Ito si Cabagnot wants to challenge Tubid. Tubid is called for the blocking foul. It's going to be a side court inbound.
Pero nakita mo na ito sa kaunting sandaling naglaro pa lang ito si Jimel Torion dito. Bago niyang team sa Santa Lucia, hindi siya tumitira eh. Mas ang concern niya rito ay pagpasa ng bola. Pabilisin yung game. Yun ang concern niya rito eh.
Torion.
Matitira na.
Oh. Gusto niya itira eh. Nakikita-kita na natin yun eh. No? And he makes it off the glass. His first 2 points as a Santa Lucia Realtor, di ba?
Alam mo yung nasa isip, ititira ko na to ah. Sinasabi nyo, hindi ako tumitira, ititira ko na to.
So si Tubid, same thing, itira ko na rin.
Awa!
For the second time, yung tira ni Ronald Tubid na nag-rattle around the ring, may bounce pa.
Well,
Bago nahulog yun.
He's not called the saint for nothing. The
Ayan,
saint may awa
the
yan
saint.
eh.
Oo. 38-30, 8-point lead for the Air 21 Express. At ito, mas comfort zone ni Dennis Espino to. Patient offense, ang kanyang hook shot goes for Dennis Espino, 8 points in the ballgame.
Kaya nga, Dennis Espino, Papangka.
Oh, Pampanga nga.
Nadalin.
Homer said. Down to Telan. Ang ganda na naman. Ang ganda ng play na part of the two big men hooking up for the alley-oop.
may mataba sa likod si Telanta.
Ayun na nga.
Alam niya na nandun lang siya eh. Pag doon, eksakto eh.
8-point lead pa rin, but Dennis Espino wants to change that. It rims out. Patrick pa rin naman ngayon. Bilis talaga bumaba nitong Air 21 Express. Speed move, huli ni Jim Wiltorion.
Well, foul
Tawag.
si Homer siya doon. Dahil
Oo.
kompleto na yung skill nito si Jimel Torres eh. Malaki kang tao. Diba? 6'4", 6'5 ka. Speed move ka. An ambush ng maliit na mama. Tapos you try to pull your way para babawi mo yung bola.
Maasa si Homer Seo, as he was being shown a while ago, na siya yung na-foul, di ba?
Hindi.
Oo.
Dahil naagaw na yung bola eh. And he was merely trying to get it back.
Santa Lucia, which is still trailing by 8 points here in the second quarter, 8:45 remaining. They go to Bitoy Omolon. Back out to Torion, who's shown a good account of himself dito sa ating second quarter. His first game as a realtor. Omolon takes a jumper to Palpal. Ni Nino Canaleta. And the Air 21 Express is running once again. Fran down to Canaleta. To Ranidel De Ocampo, to Homer Se. Doesn't complete it. Sayang yun. 4 players from that team touch the ball, but they don't complete it. Cabacno stops and pops. And that doesn't go either. And Torion steals it back. Wala rin ang kanyang tira. Sayang naman yun on the part of Jim Torion. But Oliver Agapito, hustle shown by the Santa Lucia Realtors in this sequence.
Napapahiya na si Homer sa dito kay Jimel. Kung tinirahan pa ng tres.
Hindi pumasok yan. And Bitoy gets it. Derek Espino decides, hindi, medyo malayo to.
Layo. Pero pwede rin na maitira. Kaya lang nasa tabi na niya ito si Homer Se.
Bagnog drives the lane, drops it off to Omolong.
Nice
Goes up high!
pass!
Oo! Ang gandang setup doon by Alex Cabagnot. Becoming really a good general para sa kanyang opponent.
Yeah. Yun naman talaga ang function ito si Alex sa pagpunta dito eh. Kinuha siya ng Santa Lucia for that purpose eh.
Is Canaleta. Passing out. Ito, si Rendel. Challenged by Bitoy Omolon inside. Homer Se, siya rin, nasupalpal. Great interior defense by the Santa Lucia Realtors. They're only down by 6. They can cut it even further on this play. Agapito sees an opening but loses the ball. 2-on-2. Ito, parang playground game to. Ito si Tubid. Goes up, hangs in the air, gets the basket against Torion. And Ronald Tubid completes that play for the Air 21 Express.
Tama ka doon. Parang playground game eh. Nakita mo yun sa playground kasi kayabangan ng players doon eh. Diba? Kaya mo ba to? Kaya mo ba to? Si Tubid. Nasa harap pa lang ito si Torion. Pinali pa sa kaliwa eh.
Ito si Torion naman down to Dennis Espino. Comfort zone niya Espino yan, pero labas pa rin niya kay Torion. Takes the shot off the glass, made one earlier, but that goes out. Agapito showing some hustle for the Realtors. And Alphonse has got to be pleased. Oh, yeah.
Bonus yun. 4 na puntos na para kay Doc Kagay.
Ito si Canaleta. Jumper is long. Homer Se gets it, wants to go up strong. Pushes the reverse, and he's so frustrated. Hindi naman si Homer Se. Inis na inis sarili niya, but Torion pushing it up for the Realtors. Stutter step. Almost loses it. It's a 6-point lead by the Air 21 Express. Cabagnot cuts it down to just 4 on that jumper. 42-38, 6 minutes and 8 seconds remaining.
Kala ko ba nasa kondisyon nito si Jimel Torres? Ang pagod na ako. Palitan mo na ako.
Oh, suwenya sa
Si Mendoza was supposed to come in para dito kay Cabagnot. But instead, ito si Torres na lang ang papalitan niya. So, climate is really a blessing for the farmers.
Ayun na nga. At we were treated to nice weather yesterday. At ito, si Mark Telan, tuloy pa rin ang kanyang offensive prowess para sa kanyang koponan. Bringing up the lead back to 6 points, 44-38. Cabagnot takes a 3 and makes it, alam mo, diretsong-diretso mula sa angulo natin eh. That's a TM3. At sa atin ang bagong TM, power to the people. And turnover pa.
Palpal!
Oo.
Sino ba? Sino nakasupalpal doon?
But as action continues, there's a miss on the part of the Santa Lucia Realtors. May foul pa dun sa loose ball play na yun. Bagsak si Yancy, balik ang bola sa panig ng Air 21. 3 points na lang ang kanilang kalamangan dahil hinatingan itong si Cabagnot a while ago on the 3.
Kaya nga, pero itong si Ricky Kalimag ay matatawagan ng kanyang pangatlong foul. Ricky, product naman ang San Beda College, hails from Etchage, Isabela.
Oh, talagang taga rito.
Oo.
Address the crowd in the dialect.
Kaya nga eh.
Paulo Mendoza back in the ball game. Hit 2 threes in the first quarter. Si Don Paulo before he was taken out. Wants to hit another one. Wala yan. Pinabayaan na lang ni Winnie to bounce out.
Medyo in-advise yung tira yun dahil dikit na dikit sa kanya itong si Winnie Arboleda. No?
Very early in the shot clock pa.
Yun na nga eh.
Oo.
Mahaba pa yung shot na lalaroin nila eh.
Here's Renren to Mark Telan. Mark Telan, talagang very offensive-minded ngayon sa Air 21. Yancy, bounce back to Ranidel. Natapik ng isang realtor, but there was a foul called. It looks like it's Bitoy Omolon.
Nandulak eh. No?
First personal, Bitoy Omolon.
13 foul naman yan para dito sa Santa Lucia Realty. At binabati natin din yung mga tiga Isabela, yung ating Tugigaraw. Oo, di ba? Lalo na si Romeo Coral.
Ano yun? Kasi nga natin si Robby Coral.
Lorita Hotel. Try mo all the way to Tugigaraw eh. Meron tayong kaibigan dahil ito si Romeo Coral graduate ng ating Center for Sports Communication.
Ayun na nga,
Band
tuwan-tuwa
6.
tayo, nakuha natin, ano?
Nagulat ako pagdating natin kahapon. Tinatanong, Sir Mario ba nasa? Sir Barry, pinapatawag ko kayo.
diba? Kaya,
Uy, dito pala.
Dito pala, may hotel pa. Diba? Si Sir Romy, as we see Mark Clemens Telan naman, yun nga, taga Isabela naman, ang kanyang tatay. And he did grow up here, diba? Sabi nga niya, but his family traces its roots to
Right.
Isabela, missing the first free throw. Kanyang pangalawang free throw.
Sablay pa rin.
0 for 2.
May isa pang tiga rito. Sa Tugigaraw naman, si dating sports editor, Virgilio Boy Manuel.
Ayan.
Yan. Nakita rin natin kahapon. Kasama kasi natin dito yung presidente ng PBA Press Corps, si Noli Cortez.
As we see another miss. And a block by Omolon.
Holy!
Oo nga, foul lang tinawag ng referee underneath as Yancy took the offensive rebound and tried to put back. 44-41, 3 minutes and 55 ang natitira sa ating first half. At ang laro natin, medyo lumaki na ang kalamangan ng Air 21 earlier. Akala natin blowing away, pero ito nakalapit na ang Santa Lucia. And they're hanging around, diba? Dito sa ating first half as we see Yancy with a chance to expand the lead of Air 21.
Sa tapat natin, si referee Joey Calocagin, si Alphonsus Chua, parang nag-uusap. Yun, tinarangura na ni Coach Alphonsus si referee.
May kwentuhan yung dalawa no? Hindi natin makita yung free throw shooter.
naman talaga eh. Sabi din sa may tumama eh.
And 2 free throws by Yancy De Ocampo as a result of that foul by Bitoy. At mangat sa 5 na naman ang kalamangan. Itong Air 21 Express. Here's Cabagnot. Down to Marlo. Ilang block na si Marlo?
Isa pa lang eh. Hindi
pa lang.
eh.
Another foul called to the floor. Maricel De Ocampo called for his foul. At may substitution tayo dito. Lalabas ang si Bitoy Omolon. Pasok si Cesar Catley. Catley hit a 3 earlier for his team. Ito si Cabagnot at the point.
Well, eto si Paulo Mendoza na the 3-point attempt. Sablay siya dyan. A while back, dalawang sunod na 3-point shots ang pinasok ito si Paulo Mendoza. 46-41 ang ating talaan. At ito yan sa Del Campo. Driving strong.
Oo nga, at driving strong and getting fouled. Sino ba na-foul doon? Si Yancy o si Ranidel? Si Ranidel yata, di ba?
Si Katdi ang matatawagan ng foul dyan.
Mark Clemens Telan is the one who was fouled. Pupunta na naman sa linya. Gawa nga ng
Kanina sumablay dalawa eh, no?
0 for 2 earlier at well, a chance to redeem himself from the line. Ngayon, yung kalamangan ng Air 21 is 46-41 with 3 minutes and 21 seconds remaining dito sa ating laro sa first half. 10 points, 4 rebounds for Mark Telan. Make that 11 points. At alam mo, kailangan batiin natin. May birthday
Oo
ka.
nga. Sabi ko na nga ba, dapat kanina pa natin binati.
Happy
Diba?
birthday, Commissioner.
Yun.
Emmanuel. Jose Emmanuel Noli. Kaya happy birthday, sir.
Happy birthday sa inyo, Commissioner. At sama na rin natin, happy birthday kay San Miguel Team Manager Samboy Lim. Late din yun eh.
Tama yun, partner. Birthday ni Samboy Lim. And the crowd was cheering a while ago dahil nakashoot na itong native son, si Ricky Kalimag.
Yun,
Kalimag.
the native son of Isabela. Etchage, Isabela. Kala ko yung Etchage sa Quiapo.
Oo nga.
Etchage,
Iba pala yun.
Isabela.
So ito si Mark Telan doing the inbound chores for the Air 21 Express, leading by 4. chance to expand that lead right now. It's Winnie Arboleda. At si Renren, grabe na si Renren. Kahit yung bantay.
Ilatan yung kamay ni Kabagnot
Oo,
eh.
And Kabagnot drops it to Kalimag. Goes up strong, hammered by Arboleda. Ganun kalakas yung Winnie Arboleda eh. No?
Nakita mo naman, bato-bato yung katawan eh. Kahit naman.
Ricky Kalimag,
Bato rin eh.
Pero the guard was able to stop that from becoming a three-point opportunity. So dalawang shots para kay Ricky Kalimag from the line. And at this juncture, Coach Al Francisua calls a full timeout on the floor. 2 minutes and 52 seconds remaining in the first half. The score is 47-43.
Alam niyo si Renren, pagkalaban namin yan, pinababantay namin yan, talagang lips to lips na yan. Kasi si Renren, pag naumpisahan yan, dire-diretso yan eh. So the only thing na pwede namin gawin is to get somebody can stick with him para hindi maganda yung unang few minutes niya. Dahil pag nag-umpisa yan, dire-diretso na yan, no?
Well, tumpak na tumpak ang sinabi ni Coach Al Francisua. Pag si Renren Ritualo daw ang kalaban, kailangan lips to lips guarding. Eh, halos ganoon na nga ginawa ni Alex Kabagnot a while ago. Sinupalpal niya si Renren from the three-point area on the attempt of Renren Ritualo. So talagang sinusubukan nilang man-to-man tight guarding si Renren dahil alam naman natin what an offensive juggernaut he can be pag biglang uminit ang kanyang shooting niya.
Para bang where Renren goes, so goes Air 21 eh.
Pwede ganun, oo.
Parang ganun. So, pag tinigil mo si Renren, pigilan mo na yung Air 21. Kaya lang ito nung nakarang play, natawagan ng technical si Renren eh.
Yun na nga, dahil nga doon sa play na yun, he was complaining eh. Diba? So, ito, free throw attempt by Don Paulo Mendoza is good. Cutting the lead down to just 3 points, 47-44. Lamang pa rin ang Air 21 Express with 2 minutes and 52 remaining in the first half. At si Kalimag is at the line for 2. Can cut it further, could cut it to 1 with 2 free
Yan,
throws.
oo.
The closest they would have been since early in the first quarter.
Well, biggest lead, 12 puntos, 33-21. Pumasok, unang free throw ni Ricky Kalimag. 3 points in the ball game para dito kay Ricky. Ay, putok itong si Ricky. Ganda yun para sa Santa Lucia kasi nga nakakapagpahinga si Marlo Aquino o si Dennis Espino.
Tama yun. He played well against the San Miguel Beerman the other day, pero kinulang yung kanilang offensive output in the fourth quarter. At si Mark Chelan, Alahoy, wala yung kanyang layup and Kalima gets the rebound.
Eh kasi nga, masusupalpal na naman siya eh. Ayaw niya mabiktima ni Marlo eh.
If Kabagnot losing Ritualo. Diba rito kay Marlo. Marlo wants to go. Take the shot, kicks it out to Kalimag. Short na kanyang jumper. Rebound, uncontested to Winnie Arboleda. But Kabagnot steals it right back. He's running the break and he goes up all the way. Right hand ang ginamit to finish. The lefty finishing the break. And we're all tied up at 47.
Pang-apat na deadlock yan dito sa ating ball game. 2 minuto lang, itong natitira.
Ayun o, blocks. Anim na. Ilan dyan yung kay Marlo? Isa.
Isa pa lang.
Oh, sana, gusto kanya lahat mag-record na 900 plus.
Si Marlo Aquino, dalawa na pala yung blocks niya.
Dalawa.
So,
Dalawa na lang.
Dalawa na lang kailangan bago maka-900.
Pero si Yancy, tuloy pa rin ang kanyang offensive output dito sa ating laro. And Yancy gets another basket, giving the lead back quickly sa kanyang koponan.
11 puntos na para kay Yancy de Ocampo. Ito yung duelo. Marlo versus Yancy. Inikutan ni Marlo si Yancy. Anong sinasabi niyong mabagal ako, ha? Diba? Kaya ko rin yung ginagawa ni Yancy.
Kaya ko pa yan.
Yan.
Suta kita. So, nabawi ni Marlo. And now he's challenged on the defensive end. Pero, held his ground. 3 seconds called on Yancy de Ocampo.
Ako, may technical tinuro ni Yancy. Tinuro ni Yancy yung referee.
Hindi na-appreciate ng referee yun.
Hindi mo pwedeng ituro eh.
At, well, technical is called. And a free throw will be shot by the Realtors.
You can't point na parang accusing din yan sa referee. So, tatawagan ka talaga ng technical noon.
Si Don Paulo Mendoza na naman ang titira ng free throw. He made one earlier on the technical foul called on Renren Ritualo for complaining to the referee. Ito naman dahil nga sa pagturo ni Yancy after the 3-second call against him.
Sablay!
Oo, sayang. Lost opportunity to take the lead.
For the very first time.
Oo. At with only 1 minute and 22 remaining here in the first half. It's a tied ball game, folks, and from the Josefina Albano Sports and Cultural Center dito sa Cabagan, Isabela. At ganda ng game natin so far. Alex Kabagnot. Paulo Mendoza, great fake. Lipad si Winnie Arboleda. Kabatkot naman ang titiran ng 3. In and out yan. Sorry, miss for them. But he gets it back.
Siyempre, maghihintay ka.
Sabi ni Mendoza, ayoko makantay. Pero siguro dapat nakantay siya.
Dapat nagantay ka.
But he misses anyway. Ito si Remy Dutualo. He stops, kicks it to Remy Dutualo for the 200 slam. At wala yan. Intimidated by Marlo
Yun na nga eh.
Aquino.
Sabi siguro ni Marley, hihiyain mo ko ha. Dadaktakan mo ko ha.
Currently, the quick release three-pointer is too long. Ito naman si Ranidel. Dadala naman ng bola. Picks it up to Ritualo. Ritualo. Pasok yung three-pointer. Yan, that's a TM press. Halit sa inyo ng bagong TM. Power to the people. And Ren gets a 3 on the fast break.
Yun na nga eh, no? Eh, kasi nagdalawang isip ito si Rani Del Deo Campo eh. Drive gawa yung pasok sa labas.
Marlo goes up. Kicks it out to Paulo Mendoza. Takes a 3.
Bawi!
TM press din yan. Halit sa inyo ng bagong TM. Power to the people. It's a shootout here in the first half. Kahit na naman tayo at 52 with just 18 seconds remaining. Ito, holding for the last shot by Longer 21. Could go into the locker room with the lead or tied up. Ito si Winnie Arboleda. Arboleda driving the lane, kicks it out to Ren. Ren takes a 3. Wala yan. Rebound ni Cataleta. Goes up, follow up. Wala